Sa video natin ngayon, let's try to differentiate this function. We are now dealing with logarithmic functions. So first, ito yung y natin. ln of 1 minus sine x over 1 plus sine x to the power of 3. Now, meron tayong rule for ln. Ito yan. Kung meron kang ln, and then merong expression dito sa loob, and then raised to a power, we can convert this one by multiplying n dito. So yung n dito mawawala, and then nandito na yan. So that's how we can rewrite ln x to the n. So now, considering this one, yung 3, pwede natin i-move dito. Kasi ito kasi yung nasa loob, and then raised to a power. So itong 3, pwede natin tong i-multiply dito. And so magiging ganito. And then to differentiate this one, let's just leave itong 3. And then let's first find the derivative of this function. Itong ln 1 minus sine x over 1 plus sine x. So meron din tayong rule para dyan. Now, ito yung rule natin. Kung meron kang ln u, and you will differentiate that, magiging du over u. Now, since we separated yung ln 1 minus sine x over 1 plus sine x, ito yung first na i-differentiate natin. So now, yung u natin is yung nasa loob ng ln. So ito na yun. Ito yung u natin. 1 minus sine x over 1 plus sine x. Notice na itong u natin is a fraction. So we need to apply the quotient rule. And so to simplify, isa-isahin natin. Now, yung u natin para dito is itong nasa taas. And then our v is itong expression sa baba. So that's why ito yung u natin, and then ito yung v. Now, ito yung quotient rule. vu prime minus uv prime divided by v squared. So yung u natin is 1 minus sine x. And then yung u prime natin is we need to differentiate this function. So magiging negative cos x. Kasi itong 1 magiging 0. And then our v is 1 plus sine x. If we differentiate that, magiging cos x. So now we can already apply this one. Now let's just color this one. Ito yung v natin. Saka itong nasa baba. That's why we squared this one. Kasi squared to. And then ito yung u prime, ito yung u, and ito yung v prime. So what we can do is pwede natin itong i-distribute. Yan. Saka ito rin. Now, negative cos x times 1 is itong negative cos x. Negative cos x times sine x is negative sine x cos x. And then minus cos x times 1 will be cos x. And then cos x times negative sine x magiging negative sine x cos x. And then let's copy yung denominator na 1 plus sine x squared. And so pwede natin tong i-distribute. Ito. So this one will be negative cos x. And then ito magiging plus sine x cos x. So ito na yung signs natin. So notice na itong sine x cos x saka ito is the same expression pero opposite yung signs. So we can cancel those. And then itong negative cos x saka ito is common. So magiging negative 2 cos x. So ito na yung expression natin. Now remember na ito yung du natin. And then let's check again yung derivative rule for ln. So ito yan. Du over u. Now we already have our du. And then yung u natin is ito. So again, applying du over u, magiging ganito. Ito kasi yung du natin. And then ito yung u natin. So to simplify this one, let's just multiply the reciprocal of this one dito sa taas. And so magiging ganito. Now, if you're wondering kung saan to galing, yan lang yung 1 plus sine x squared. Now, if we square something, i-multiply natin yan by itself. So kaya ito naging 1 plus sine x times 1 plus sine x. Ito lang yan. And then ito naman, ito yung reciprocal nito. So yung 1 plus sine x, ito na yung nasa taas. And then ito yung nasa baba. So what can you notice? Itong 1 plus sine x, magka-cancel. And so we are left with negative 2 cos x over 1 plus sine x times 1 minus sine x. And then notice na ito yung factors ng difference of two squares. Recall na a plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So itong 1 plus sine x times 1 minus sine x magiging 1 minus sine squared x. Kasi ito yung a natin, and then ito yung b natin. And so our expression will be, ito na. negative 2 cos x over 1 minus sine squared x. Now, what is 1 minus sine squared x? Recall na sa Pythagorean identity natin, sine squared x plus cos squared x equals 1. And so rearranging this one, cos squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x. Kasi we move this to the right. And so ito na yung expression natin. Yung 1 minus sine squared x, pinalitan natin ng cos squared x. And so yung cos x dito, saka yung cos squared x, magka-cancel. Magiging ganito. And so now, we are left with itong negative 2 over cos x. Now, take note that this is still the derivative of this one. Hindi pa natin nasali yung 3. Kasi we separated it kanina. And so, meron pa tayong 3. So, again, ito yung y natin. And then, yung derivative ng ln 1 minus sin x over 1 plus sin x is itong expression na to. And so, meron pang 3 na matitira. So, yung y prime natin is 3 times yung derivative na to. So, 3 times negative 2 over cos x. Now, recall na 1 over cos x is equal to sec x. And so, ito na yung answer natin.